So, hi guys! So, ito na nga. Ito na yung part 10 sa, ano bang tawag dito? Sa ating ano? Magsalita ka sa pag-video namin na makikita niyo yung pagligo namin. Pagligo na. Hindi, makikita niyo yung buong araw namin, no? Buong araw ha. As in, buong araw. So, sorry kung hindi na namin napakita yung pag-aano namin. Wait lang. Ano bang tawag dito? Pag-swimming namin. Kasi nga, mababasa yung cellphone. No. So, ito na nga. Mababasa yung cellphone. Hindi ko alam mo sasabihin ko. Pero, ayan na nga, nagabi na nga ni sa amin. Gabi na. So, may babasahin daw siya, guys. Pakita mo na. Pakita mo. Ay, sorry kung ano. Basahin ko na lang kasi nga pag ganyan, pabaliktad. So, ang sabi niya, Sunbeam the Unicorn. Nabili namin to sa, ano ba tawag dito? Doon sa bookstore. So, basahin mo na ito.
Sunbeam and Princess Daisy were very excited. Tomorrow was Daisy's birthday, and there was going to be a big party at the
Palas. Alam niyo ba yung palas, guys? Yung palas, wait lang. Ano ka muna, wait. Alam niyo ba ang palas, guys? Ang palas is palasyo. So, yun.
Sunbeam wanted to get Daisy a present. But what can I give to her? Thought Sunbeam. Just then he had a wonderful idea.
May wonderful idea daw.
Sunbeam decided to ask the forest fairies for help. They were so sure to think of something special. Just leave it to me, said Fairy Ginger.
Patingnan ko. Oh, Fairy Ginger.
I know just the thing, shared Fairy Flick.
Wait.
Fairy Ginger returned in a flash of sparkles. She had a sweet little bunny with her.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Diyan ka lang. So, ngayon, guys. Hindi niya alam. Ipaprank natin siya.
Just then, the fairy appeared with a glittering tiara. It's the shiniest tiara